Bitcoin is one online currency that's becoming a hotcake now. And there's more I'd like to show you today. Wait a minute. This video serves well if you want to know about Bitcoin. As I said, Bitcoin is a digital currency making waves now in the financial industry. Bitcoins are very notable for their forms as a medium of exchange from peer-to-peer and no central government. All Bitcoin transaction is recorded in a public log, and you can remain anonymous in the network with encrypted keys. Transactions are also made with no middleman, which means there's no need to go through the bank. Want to know more? Well, you're just in time. Let's begin, guys. Bitcoin systems work on blockchain technology, which makes sure the user's Bitcoins are safe from fraud. The number of Bitcoins that are in circulation at present are over 21 million. Bitcoin, being a system, was created by a person or a group of persons named Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. The main idea of making Bitcoins was to remove the need for middlemen to complete transactions, and the middlemen are the banks. You do have to know that the market of cryptocurrencies is highly unpredictable. When a transaction was done for the first time, it was to pay for pizzas in exchange for 10,000 Bitcoins, which is no small change today. At the time, Bitcoin's value was negligible, but it's attaining a peak in today's time. Even experts can't predict the price of it. If you purchase Bitcoin, the cost would depend on various factors. But the topmost is your trust, or put in the investor's trust. You must know countless stuff when purchasing Bitcoin, and those things include your identification documents, digital wallet, secure internet connection, bank account for cryptocurrency exchange, and many more. How are Bitcoins made? Bitcoins aren't printed cash, but they are mined using computers to solve complex math puzzles. At the time of creation, Satoshi Nakamoto decided there can only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Presently, guys, it isn't that easy to create a Bitcoin. It takes a lot of computing energy, which uses a lot of electrical power. Miners are incentivized to create Bitcoins because if they solve a mathematical puzzle that makes a new Bitcoin, they currently get rewarded with 12.5 Bitcoins, and that's a lot of cash. Presently, a new Bitcoin is made every 10 minutes. Not to bore you with all the flimsy details, let's drop down to the basic steps included in investing in Bitcoin. Number 1, you need a Bitcoin wallet. The first step towards investing in Bitcoin is to get a Bitcoin wallet. This is simply a digital wallet that virtually stores the Bitcoin and keeps track of all the transactions. There are various types of Bitcoin wallets, and the user can choose any one according to their needs. The two main types of Bitcoin wallets are hardware and software wallets. Software wallets are similar to mobile applications that get connected to the bank account of the user. If you do want to enjoy this, then Coinbase is one of the famous software wallets. Hardware wallets are similar to traditional wallets, but are often safer and secure as they're offline. The best kinds of hardware wallets are Trezor and Ledger. Number 2, connect wallet with a bank account. You need to connect your wallet to a debit credit card and a bank account to buy Bitcoin. These methods for making the payments perform similar functions. The transactions that are made using the bank account usually take over 4 days for the new investors. But once you link your bank account to the Bitcoin wallet, woohoo! You're in! You can easily buy or sell Bitcoins. Number 3, link a Bitcoin exchange. Bitcoin Exchange is an online place to trade the Bitcoins to exchange traditional currencies like exchanging Bitcoins for dollars. When you purchase Bitcoin online, you are offered two options. No two Bitcoin exchanges are the same, and they offer different services as well. Different Bitcoin exchanges vary in reliability, processing fees, cryptocurrencies available, exchange rates, reputation, and trading security. On the other hand, you must do your proper research before fixing a Bitcoin exchange for exchange. Number 4. Place the order. All the setup is done, and you can now begin to buy and sell the Bitcoins. You must keep in mind that, no doubt, a Bitcoin value is around $1,000, but still, they can get divided up to decimal points. The analysts fixed the smallest unit of Bitcoin as Satoshi. And Bitcoin can be pretty volatile at times, but if the prices reach the sky, you can still buy a small fraction called Satoshi. What is the technology that drives Bitcoin? The technology behind Bitcoin is called blockchain technology. A blockchain is a public record of all shared transactions and maintained through a global consensus among everyone participating in the Bitcoin network. Blockchain technology aims to prove that transactions in the network are somewhat undisputable and prevent Bitcoin's double spending. There are alternative uses of blockchain technology applied to various other industries or sectors, such as the real estate industry for fractional property ownership and the energy industry for peer-to-peer energy trading. Blockchain technology has unlocked a new wave of creative projects looking to change the way the world works and even runs. What are its benefits as an investment tool? You've got to know this. Bitcoin is one volatile currency, which means the price is highly speculative and the cryptocurrency market is largely unregulated. So, if you wish to go into Bitcoin, most investors would tell you you're going in at your own risk. That's if they are honest with you. That's if they're honest with you. Some investors would even tell you to be prepared to lose all your investments. The one benefit of using Bitcoins to transact is they can be transferred anywhere around the world and be withdrawn from any exchange no matter where you are. Now, let's have an idea about the phrase Bitcoin mining. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is simply the process by which new Bitcoins are entered into circulation. But it's also a critical part of the blockchain ledger's maintenance and development. It's performed using sophisticated computers that solve extremely complicated computational math problems. And here's the stuff. Cryptocurrency mining is known to be painstaking, costly, and only sporadically rewarding. However, mining has a magnetic appeal for many investors alike who are interested in cryptocurrency because miners are rewarded for their work with crypto tokens. And in my opinion, that was a good move, Satoshi. This could also be because businessmen see mining as pennies from heaven, kind of like the California gold prospectors in the mid-1800s. So, if you're technically inclined, why not make a move and mine the riches? Remember, the steps mentioned above are for beginners. Who is entering the world of cryptocurrencies and wanting to invest in Bitcoins? So, click that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell notification so that you don't miss catchier topics from Mr. Money King.